SmartDraw makes it easy to design any outdoor area for residential and commercial spaces. You can outline the boundaries, drag and drop structural elements like paths, fences, and benches, and add trees, flowers, shrubs, grasses, and other plants. Then finish your design by adding colors and textures. And it's simple to use whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. No CAD training required. Visualize your entire sprinkler and irrigation system layout using simple drag-and-drop symbols. SmartDraw helps you create an accurate design that ensures efficient water coverage. You can even color code your pipes, sprinkler heads, zones, and other irrigation elements to a design layout that's easy to follow. If you have a survey image, blueprint PDF, or satellite Google Maps image, you can import it into SmartDraw and scale it to serve as the foundation for a new plan or design. Importing existing images will help your clients visualize the space better and help crews install features correctly. You can search SmartDraw's vast collection of symbols for any plant or structural element you need and add it to your design. SmartDraw has symbols for trees, bushes, hardscape, walkways, decks, pools, water features, and more. You can truly customize your plan using your own symbols. Easily import your own images or draw your own shapes inside SmartDraw. Scale imported images, add data, and create a custom library that anyone on your team can use to create consistent proposals. Photos may also help clients better visualize your technical drawing with realistic depictions of plants, slopes and drainage paths, the size of existing trees, and so on. You can assign data to any shape in SmartDraw, including any custom shapes you created. With shape data, you can add information like cost, plant name, container size, maturity level, sun requirements, climate zone, water demand, supplier, and more. Then you can generate a manifest to give you a count of all the symbols placed on a plan. For example, get a list of a specific type of plant in your design to help with estimates, purchase orders, and installation checklists. Use layers to separate planting, irrigation, and lighting. Layers allow you to hide information as needed, or also edit parts of your plan independently. You can showcase your visual design to your clients while keeping technical details for the installers. SmartDraw makes collaboration easy. Share your diagram with anyone with a link, even if they don't own a copy of SmartDraw. And you can export your plans as professional, clean PDFs and other image formats.